In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, a free productivity software in this tutorial tailored for beginners. Let's dive right in with the first essential step, accessing Google Calendar. You can either open it in your browser or download the app to your device. Once you've done that, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Now that you're signed in, let's get familiar with the layout. Understanding the interface is key to navigating Google Calendar efficiently. You'll see options to switch between different views, month, week, or day, allowing you to tailor your calendar view according to your preference. This flexibility will help you stay on top of your schedule with ease. On the left sidebar, you'll find a quick view of the mini calendar along with a list of your calendars. This area is particularly useful for a quick glance at your upcoming events and for managing multiple calendars simultaneously. The main panel is the heart of Google Calendar, where all your events will be displayed. It offers a clear overview of everything that's happening, making it simple to manage your time. When you're ready to add an event, click on the Create button. Here, you can add new events, tasks, or even schedule appointments. Highlight the event by adding a title, then set the date and time. If it's a recurring event, there's an option to configure that too, which saves you from repetitive entries. Inviting others to your events is easy. Simply click on Add Guests and invite them using their email addresses. If the event is an online meeting, you can integrate Google Meet for seamless video conferencing by clicking on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Need to specify a physical location instead? Use the Add Location option to provide that detail. Enhance your event description with agendas or attach files via Google Drive using the Add Description or a Google Drive attachment feature. You can also personalize your events by editing the color and selecting which calendar they belong to. These customization options help keep your events organized and visually distinct. For tasks and appointments, click on Task or Appointment Schedule. These features allow you to add tasks with specific times and descriptions or set up appointment slots with defined durations. Consider utilizing color coding and multiple calendars to organize your life further. You can assign different colors to categories like work, personal, and study, and create multiple calendars for different purposes such as work, personal events, or holidays. Don't forget about reminders and notifications. Google Calendar can send you email or pop-up alerts before your events, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or deadline. When it comes to sharing and collaborating, head to the settings. Choose the calendar you want to share. Click on Add People and Groups, input their emails, and adjust their permissions as needed. Then by clicking Send, an invitation with the calendar link will be automatically emailed to them. And that's a wrap. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Google Calendar and enhancing your productivity. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.